YouTube, what's up guys? Today is wheel reveal day. Hope you guys are all having a great day. We're gonna be revealing which wheels that I choose to use on my Celica GTS. They're gonna be a surprise, but not really a surprise. Why? Because I've used them a lot and they come with the car. So let's go ahead and I'll show you where they are. Bam, there they are. They're in horrible condition. So these are the OEM GTS wheels, aluminum alloy, 16 inches. You can usually run like 205s, 50s is usually what people run on there, and then 16. I'm gonna actually put some 205 40s. So much smaller on the profile. And I think I'm gonna try to run some Toyos on them. I like Toyos a lot. And then once we get all the wheels back on there, I'm gonna show you guys how to paint them myself black. And I was really contemplating on getting them powder coated, but I can get a really nice set of wheels for the cost of powder coating these. So that being said, I think I'm just gonna paint them myself like I did a how-to video a while ago, and I'll show you guys how to do it. And we are gonna do gloss black on them. So it'll look really good. I've ran it before. It looks amazing, totally transforms the car. People really like it, and it lasts, and it's very durable. It lasts for a long time. So I'll show you guys how to do that. But first and foremost, what we're doing in this video is we're gonna take these wheels and put them in this Celica. Oh my gosh, those are so bad. It rained. We're gonna put them in this Celica, and then we're gonna go get these tires removed. And I'm just gonna get rid of these. These are snow tires with studs on them. If I were to drive the Celica in the winter, which I'm not, that's why I own an Evo. My Evo does really good in the winter. I don't need any of that. So we're gonna get rid of these tires and just give them to the tire shop. This Celica came with these floor mats, and I just cannot stand them anymore. So I'm really considering on just throwing them away. And it came with seat covers that fit the Celica. So, I mean, they're fit for it. You can see that they're fit for it. I just don't want them anymore, red and black. If someone wants them, I'm going to throw them away. But if someone wants them within like the next 10 days, just comment down below or send me a message on Instagram, MITCH_DORE on Instagram, and I will ship them to you. You gotta pay for the shipping, but I'll just give them to you for free. I really don't want them. So if you guys want them, let me know. They're cool though. They're, I believe they're hand cooks. Are they hand cooked? Yeah, hand cooked. They're hand cooked snow tires. But we gotta get them off here. Listen to how quiet this exhaust is. It's so quiet. The neighbors probably love it. That being said, let's close this, and we're gonna go get rid of the tires. Let's do it. I absolutely love getting in this car. The interior is so awesome. It's so good. It's just so new. It's like it was never used. I love it. It needs vacuumed and cleaned. It's just it's so basic. It's so clean and new. It's awesome. I love it. The steering feels so good on this car too. I'm excited. So let's go ahead, drop these tires off and get them gone, and then get the wheels back, and then we'll pressure wash the wheels to make them look nice before we get some new tires put on there, and then paint them black. You know we gotta see if lift works, right? Let's go! Woo! Yeah, baby. I would say it works. That's so fun. All right, we're good. Tires are gone. I need to clean this interior. It needs just armor all and wiped down. I think I'll end up doing that real soon. I'll do it once I drop those wheels off. That being said, does anyone have one of these little clips here? Look at this real quick here. Let me zoom in. That right there, where the deck lid, the cover sits in, there's a plastic clip that sits in there. Mine didn't come with it, so I need 2 of those. So send me, if you guys have those, yes. And then, should I get new seats? What do you guys think? New seats? Yes, I think I should get new seats. All right, hey, it looks like some wheels right there. I think those belong to me. All right, so we have the wheels. They are secured. They are in the back there. They've been sliding around. I kind of feel bad. Let's take them to the house, and then to the garage, and then we'll go and pressure wash them, and then we'll wrap up the video. I'm really excited to getting these painted black. They will look really, really good. And I want to run some Toyos on there, so I'll look for some Toyos to see what I can find. My current wheels on this Celica are there you go again. The chrome ones are super, the tires are bald. So let's go ahead and get. All right, let's finish up. So we're gonna pull all these out of my GTS, the Tsunami. Oof, this car's awesome. This car needs clean so bad. We're gonna pull it out because we gotta get rid of those. Oh dear goodness. See, those are Toyos on there. Those are Toyo Eclipse, but I do like Toyo. That being said, I'm gonna maybe I'll do Toyo, I'm not sure. You guys give me a wheel or a tire recommendation. So let's pull these out real quick here and get them all pressure washed. I just turned the Lotus on. I'm having it work. I'm having it warm up for a little bit. I haven't driven it in so long. I just wanted to kind of get the fluids moving on it. That being said, here's the snap-on pressure washer I own. I really like it with the gun right there. And then here are those wheels, and we're gonna start pressure washing these wheels. There's so much junk on them. So we'll do our best to get them off. Let's go ahead and pop these out real quick here. What you do with those, you just take a screwdriver and tap the back of it and it'll pop out towards me. So let's do that real quick. All right, let's start this project off. It's gonna be one at a time. All four are gonna get this treatment. It's gonna take a while, but we're literally just gonna jump into it. The snap-on pressure washer will do a really good job from this. So let's get this going. Here we go. Yeah, look at that. It'll all come right off. All right, so there's one done. Much better, right? Much better. Here are the ones that aren't done yet. That one's really bad. Keep in mind, I will be painting these. I do want to get them powder coated now that I'm hand cleaning all these, but we'll see. Maybe I'll get them powder coated, maybe I won't. All right, much better. So pressure washed, they look okay. They're still pretty beat up. I would say these are in fair condition, not good condition, just fair. To have me paint these, I'm gonna have to really sand them all down. For a good example, there's this right here, it's the aluminum alloy look paint. There's like a painting that they painted this color is chipping off. That being said, I'd have to really grind it on down to get rid of that ugly, and make sure that it's flush. That's what I'm trying to do, is make sure that it's flush. So that being said, these are the wheels that I will use on my Tsunami Celica. They came with the car. I think they look amazing actually. When they're painted black, they look truly amazing. I love the 5-star, they look awesome. All right, so that's it for this video. Make sure to hit the like button. I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm excited for these. I'm really looking forward to them. I think they're gonna look really good. It'll make the car look amazing when they're in black. You know, you guys saw me recently do the unboxing video with all those little black accents that I'm gonna put on the car, lower the car with the springs on there, those stag springs, and then having these GTS wheels on there with lower profile. It's gonna look clean, flush, clean. It'll look brand new. It'll look a lot more modern. Those chrome wheels, they gotta go. Make sure to like, subscribe, guys. I'll see you on the next video.